Good day everyone. Myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgottias University. Today we will discuss about monophagic liquid dosage form. Monophagic liquid dosage form means when solute particles are added in a solvent system and it becomes dissolved in that solvent system. This type of system is known as monophagic liquid dosage form. This type of formulation is known as monophagic liquid dosage form. Monophagic liquid dosage form refers to liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system, and it is represented by true solution. True solution means all the solute particles are soluble in solvent system or only one phases appear. One phase, that is liquid phase. There is no chance of any solid phase or solid content in that liquid medium. A true solution or monophagic liquid dosage form is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent. The component of the solution which is present in large quantity is known as solvent, whereas the component of formulation present in small quantity is termed as solute. Now we will discuss about syrup. Syrup is a monophasic liquid dosage form. It is concentrated liquid preparation of sucrose. Simple syrup IP contains 66.7% weight by weight sucrose in purified water, while simple syrup USP contains 85% weight by volume sucrose in purified water. There are two types of syrup, medicated syrup and flavored syrup. Medicated syrup have therapeutic effect and example is cough syrup. While flavored syrup are used as vehicle and example is cherry syrup. Flavored syrup has no therapeutic effect, no pharmacological effect, and they are used only as vehicle. Invert syrup is another form of syrup. According to BPC, British Pharmaceutical Codex, invert syrup is prepared by hydrolyzing sucrose with HCl and solution neutralized with calcium or sodium carbonate. Invert syrup contains levulose, sucrose and dextrose in the ratio of 173 is to 100 is to 74. The invert syrup is 1.23 times more sweet as compared to the sucrose. We should note that sucrose is the standard for sweetening property. All the sweeteners, artificial and natural sweeteners, are compared with sucrose in terms of sweetening ability. One more thing, simple syrup IP and USP contain high amount of sucrose and so they not required any preservative because due to the high concentration of sucrose, solution create high osmotic load and if any microbes is present within the medium due to the hydrolysis their cell wall ruptured and they become killed. Elixir is another monophagic liquid dosage form and it contains about 5 to 40% alcohol. 10 to 12% alcohol are stable and not require the preservative. But below the 10% concentration of alcohol, generally preservatives are added to stabilize the elixir. They are prepared by simple agitation method. Alcohol soluble ingredient dissolved in alcohol. Water soluble ingredients are dissolved in water. Then water solution mixed with alcoholic solution. If any oil ingredients are added, then use with talc for removing the oil droplet. Example of elixir is paracetamol elixir. Liniment is another liquid dosage form It is liquid or semi-solid in some cases. It is applied on the skin with friction and rubbing. The liniment may be alcoholic or oily solution or emulsion. Liniment should not be applied on broken skin and it may cause irritation. Generally, liniments are used for counter-irritant effect, means they are used to reduce the chance of irritation. And most common example of liniment is turpentine liniment. Lotion is another monophagic liquid dosage form. It is a liquid preparation meant for external use and it is applied without friction, while liniment are applied with friction. Lotions can be applied on broken skin. Liniment are generally cannot be applied over broken skin. Lotions are used for antiseptic, astringent, germicidal action and they are also used as protective, while liniments are used as counter-irritant. Example of lotion is calamine lotion IP. From the complete study, it can be summarized that in monophagic liquid dosage form, solute particles are soluble in solvent system. Elixir are alcoholic preparation. Syrup may be medicated or flavored, and liniment should not be applied over broken skin. After the complete study, following questions can be arises. First question may be define monophagic liquid dosage form, differentiate between lotion and liniment, define syrup with suitable examples, and enlist various property of elixirs. Following references can be referred for advanced study about the monophagic liquid dosage form. Thank you. Thank you very much. You can contact on the given email ID as well as contact number for any query.